If you're thinking about building your fence, you're probably asking yourself, should I go with a 6x6 or 4x6 inch size of your post? Well, generally the rule of thumb is that bigger is better. So 6x6 inch is naturally thicker wood, so it's going to be more sturdy and it's expected to bring more durability to the life of your post itself. As well, it depends a lot from the spacing between your posts. Usually we would set your post on every 8 or 10 feet, and if you decide to set your post on every 10 feet, I would recommend to go with a thicker post because it's going to give more durability and sturdiness to your fence itself. And if you decide to set your post on every 8 feet, then doesn't really matter. You can go with 6x6 or 4x6. For example, behind my back, we have 5 years old fence that was set up on 4x6 inch posts, and it's still very sturdy. It's sitting very stable in very good condition. What I would definitely not recommend, if you're building regular size 6 feet fence, don't go with the 4x4 inch posts because it just might not be sturdy enough to survive these weather conditions. As we live in northern Alberta here, we get lots of windy days. Our summers go over plus 40 and our winters go below minus 40. So you just need something stronger and more sturdy to survive those weather conditions for the next 20 to 30 years. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any kind of question, leave a comment down below. And if you're new, please subscribe.